To give you.
Hey, Kier. Hi, how are you?
Wait, that's a bright flag.
Good. Yeah. How old are you?
3.
3. Good. Hey, Hunter. How are you? How old are you?
4.
What's your favorite thing to do?
I don't know. Maybe just do everything.
Yeah.
Hey, do it to me.
You like swimming, Kier?
Huh?
Show me how you swim.
Mom, I don't want this song.
Okay, I know.
Is that how you swim? Okay.
Sorry.
Hunter, do you like swimming?
Yeah.
Show me how you swim. That's pretty good there. Hi. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, say bye to the camera, Kier. Say bye.
Hi.
Say bye.
Oh, Hunter, you
Bye.
can just pick whatever you want.